Hey, what it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chevy, and I'm taking y'all today with me, man. I'm outside working. I'm gonna just take y'all along, let y'all see what I be doing and stuff. It's cold as a month outside. What it say right there? It's 22 degrees right now. With the wind factor, it's probably colder than that. But hey, I'm with it. But yeah, man, I'm finna hop about this truck, man. Y'all can see I got all the bags on the back, just a bunch of these. I gotta get out here and throw them away, man. My boy out here finna assist me. And yeah, man, we finna get to it, man. Y'all stay tuned. Temperature that came up from this morning, guys. It's like 25, 26 outside right now, but no matter what, I'm out here working, man. These customers want their yards done, so you know somebody got to do it. Might as well be me. You feel me? I ain't got nothing else going on, nothing important, so nothing is more important than running this business right now. Anyways, but yeah, man. So. Day in the life, everybody always asks me in my videos, and I've been getting it more recently. Everybody asks me like, what do I do for a living, or like, you know, what do I do to earn income and stuff. And as you can see, I am a landscaper, lawn care operator. So, you know, that's one of my businesses that I do own and operate, along with, you know, some other things that I do as well to earn a living. But this is one of my main sources of income. So I do got many. I'm on the road. I'm on the journey. You know what I'm saying, to get to where I want to be. And I want to own land like this one day, man. And to be able to own that type of land, there's a certain type of wealth that you gotta attain. You know. So you're not gonna make it off of one stream of income. That's for sure. Definitely not gonna happen. So you know, I try and diversify the ways that I bring in income and just keep it going, man. Yeah, we're passing over Tractor Trailer Supply, one of my stores I like to go to and get my supplies and stuff that I need whenever I need something. But this ain't nothing but a little ramble talk, man, so I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna get some B-roll shots in for y'all today, get y'all some footage outside the cab, and hopefully y'all enjoy it, man. Stay tuned if y'all want to see more videos like this. I told you, comment below, let me know if y'all want me to start a channel for the landscaping company, and then I will, you know what I'm saying. But at this point I have no desire to do it, but a lot of y'all do be asking for them. So if you're really interested in how to own and run and operate a landscaping lawn care company, let me know. Shit, I'll do a channel for it, and then, you know, we'll go from there. I'll show y'all the ins and outs, and you know how I got my beginnings and how I started, and all the rough times and the ups and downs and the ebbs and flows of being a business owner, man. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 500, like I said. As soon as I get that 500 subscriber count, we'll be dropping a video, take a delivery for the Camaro ZL1 2023 1LE. And after that, it's up. Hey, I'm with it. I've been watching too much Top of the Moot podcast, man. But yeah, man, I'm with it, man. I appreciate the love and support so far, man. But let's get to that 500 subscriber count. Then we'll be on the road to 1,000. And 4,000 watch hours after that, man. I appreciate everybody's support so far. Yeah, guys, we on location at one of my last 2 stops I gotta go to today. Not a whole lot to do out here. We just gotta do some leaf debris cleanup, hit the backyard, and then some stuff like that. But the customer called. Oh shoot, I'm about to come in. But yeah, so this is like I said, I got like 2 more properties to do, and then we're gonna be done for the day. As you can see, man, it's your boy. That's my company, More Love. Y'all check me out if y'all in Georgia, Southeast region. If you need some work done, holla at me. Come on. Yeah, so it's not a whole lot here, just a bunch of cleanup, man. You know, we had that storm last night, so we got a bunch of tree limbs all over the ground we got to clean up. And we're gonna get to it. It's not that cold out here, it's just the wind is making it worse than what it is, but it's really not that bad out here, especially that you know, bundled up. I got on 2 pairs of gloves. I got on my hoodie, a long sleeve shirt, my long johns. I'm good, man. It's really not even that cold, especially as I made a balaclava, so it's not too rough. The wind ain't tearing my face up because I'm covered up, but we're gonna get right to it, man. When we do some measurements for a fence in the backyard and something else we just spoke about. But yeah, man, we're gonna take care of that for them, and then I'm gonna get up out of here, head to my last yard of the day. It's wet. We'll be right at 11:50, so it's almost afternoon. I got 1 more to go. I'm on good timing. Yeah, man, it's been a good day, man. It's December 23rd, 2022. We got about, what, 7-8 days left in the year before we hit the 2023. I hope y'all making y'all right now all the stuff y'all want to accomplish in 2023, man. If you don't plan to fail. If you don't plan to fail. Whatever you set out to accomplish, it's not gonna happen if you don't write it down and make that roadmap to wherever you trying to go. So y'all keep that in mind. It's your boy Chevy. Stay tuned. changed the height of the blade. Each y'all, we gonna go at 2.5. So we're gonna go 2.5 on this yard. I'm running the right more, 52 inch. That's we at the last house of the day. Ain't too much really to do here. I just gotta cause I was here the other day, but it got so dark quick that day I was here. So I just gotta go to the back, finish up. We already did all the leaves in the front by the trees. I probably moved these branches over there. But ain't really nothing to do here. Like I said, I just gotta finish up the back with all the leaves that's back there. And yeah, hurry up and shut it down, man. We making good time, man. It's 2 o'clock, man. I might be able to cut up in the ZL1 today, man. Hey, don't judge my trailer. It's a little dirty in here. But, yeah, man, it's been a good day, man. They said it was going to be real cold. I mean, it's been like in the 20s. The wind making it feel crazy, but other than that, it's been all right. It ain't been too rough on me today. Well, I've been in the truck moving around, making shopping. You know, keeping my gloves warm, and you know, so I had a glove sitting down there on the floor underneath the heater. That's been my little secret tip to anybody who. And then these, I sit on top of these while I'm driving. So I got on 2 pairs of socks, my long johns, and you know, wife beater and all that stuff. So I'm pretty warm, man. It ain't really been, you know, affecting me like that. I've been cool. But to each his own, man. Like I said, man. Work gotta be done. Might as well be me. Somebody got to do it. But hey, man, I'm gonna get the GoPro and get y'all a few more shots of me out here working today. That's gonna be it for the vlog, man. Not too much. I ain't gonna try and drag it out. Probably make this like a 4-5 minute video for y'all, just to, you know, show y'all what I be doing during the day for lawn care and stuff like that. That's about it, man. I gotta set up with 2 mowers in here, 52 inch and the 36. And you know, my ladders and all that stuff in here, my blower. But yeah, man, let me get to it, man. Oh my God. I don't know what happened. They say the temperature went up. It feel like it went down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bruh, my hands ain't felt like this all morning. They so damn cold, they hurt. Oh my God. Bruh, this don't make no sense, dog. I'm done with the backyard, but since we had that little winter storm last night, it's a bunch of tree limbs in the front yard, so I'm gonna clean them up real quick. And then I'll probably run over the front yard one more time just to get whatever little fallen leaves and then carry it down. But bro, my hands hurt so damn bad. It's so cold. Damn, that shit came out of nowhere. The wind hitting now. It's over with. The wind is hitting. I'm talking about they been biting like Mike Tyson. So I guess that's why my hands cold, cause I'm on the machine going back and forth. But damn, bruh. Ah, man, they hurt so damn bad. Sheesh, it's ridiculous. I'll probably be out here for like 30 more minutes, but I had to get in the truck, warm my hands up right quick, man. But Yeah, when I go back out there, it should be like 30 more minutes worth of work. That's it for today, man. I'm about to go and do a quote for some trees after this, and then I'm finna wrap up the day, man. I ain't got nothing else to do today. I gotta get back out here tomorrow though, but today is pretty much over with. It's 3 o'clock now, so I'll probably be up out of here probably about like 3:45, and should be done with my day by 5. But yeah, man, that's what it is, a day in the life of me doing lawn care, landscaping. This is where the big bucks come from, you feel me? This is where the bread and butter is made. Is it hard? Yes. Is it task and labor oriented? Hell yeah. That's why I try and make sure I do get my self-care in, you know what I'm saying? I go and get my massages and all that stuff at least once a month now. I found that helped me out a whole lot. But that's gonna be it for the video, y'all. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned. If you made it all the way through, hit the thumbs up button for me. It don't cost you a thing to hit that like button. I appreciate it. Get this video going in the algorithm. It's your boy Chevy, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.